All right, I just removed two of these little guys. The one right in there, and then the one right here in the fender. And I can just get my hand in here. So I might need both hands to do this, so I might have to do it off camera. But the instructions say there's a tab right behind here, and I can feel it to push out on it, and then pry out on this lower corner, and the whole assembly should pop out. There's no screws. I'll show you the one here. See, there's that tab. So I'm going to push on that tab on the inside and then pry on that corner. It should pop out. I'm going to use this non-marring plastic tool to pull on it so that I don't scratch anything here. I'll be right back. I just told you wrong. The tab is actually on the lower part right here. I can feel it like there, and I already released it. You can see it's popped out a little bit. I should be able to pop it out the rest of the way with this tool. There we go. Just came right out. Yep, so there's the tab, you can see. So it was at the lower area. So the wire is actually already behind there. So we just gotta plug in the new unit and pop it back in, and we should be good. Okay, real quick, this is the factory connector. This is the factory socket that plugs into here. And then you've got this LED bulb that was aftermarket. So if you don't have that, you'll have like the little incandescent one. So you just pop that out. Whoop, dropped it, it's okay. And then you've got that socket right there, which is gonna match up with this connector here. So I'm gonna plug that connector into this socket. I'm gonna lock this into that unit, and then we're gonna plug it in back down below. All right, I just hit my truck unlock button, and there it is. It looks kind of cool. Oh, it just went out. Anyway, it timed out. Let me hit my unlock again. There we go. Yep, it looks pretty cool. I can't wait to see it at night. So we'll go ahead and pop this guy back in and button up the, there we go. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. All right, we're gonna button this back up, and we'll do the same to the other side. And I think the next video, I will be showing you this at night. All right, so we're out here at night, and this is the new upgraded side marker light there. And when we unlock the truck, you can see, well, the camera doesn't show it very well, but I promise you, there is just a more yellow strip in the middle there. It does kind of light the whole lens, but off camera, it shows a little bit more clear on the outside and amber strip in the middle. But that's what it looks like at night. See you guys on the next one.